Next, sixth problem. This also I explained on the board, but some of you have doubt. That's why again I am explaining you. See here, if log of x plus y by 3 equal to 1 by 2 log x plus log y, then find the value of x by y plus y by x. Here, what is the value we have to find out? X by y plus y by x value we should find out. For here, they have given in the form of logarithm. But here we have to find the value of like this. Means here no logarithm is there. Okay, to find out this one, whatever they have given, from those we have to remove logs. Then automatically you hear what we have, variables x, y we have, no? The variables we will get. Next from that we can find that value like this. Okay, see what is given. First I am going to write solution given. What is given? Log of x plus y by 3 equal to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. If we want to remove, if we want to cancel logs on the both sides, here only one log of something should be there. Here also log of something should be there. Okay, is this clear to you? So, but here only log of something only we have, but here sum of logs we have. So we have to make this right side term as a single term. Okay, for that see 1 by 2 log x plus log y. How can we write? What is the formula? Log x plus log y equals to log xy only, no? Already we know that. What we know? Log xy, product rule. Log xy equals to log x plus log y we know. Here log x plus log y they have given. Means instead of this one you can write log xy, no? Why we are writing log xy? Means to remove logs. If the left side also you have only log of something, in the right side also log of something if you have, we can cancel. That's why instead of these two I am writing this one. What is that? Log x plus log y, log x plus log y, log x plus log y equals to log xy, log x plus log y equals to log xy, means log x into y. See here in the left side what we have? Log of x plus y by 3 equals to this one we have. Now can we cancel these two? No, because before log also one number we have. So we have to take this number here by using power rule. Okay, what is the power rule? What is the power rule? Log x to the power of n equals to n log x. This is our power rule. So see here n log x can written as log x to the power of n. No? Before log n is there, means this n will come to the exponent for this term. So same like this only. Instead of x we have xy. Instead of n we have 1 by 2. Like this term is there. So what is our answer here? Log xy whole to the power of 1 by 2. Instead of n we have 1 by 2. So that's why that this 1 by 2 will come as an exponent for this argument. Now here what we have? Log x plus y by 3 equals to this one. See, if you observe here on the left side we have log of something, on the right side also we have log of something. So then we can do cancel log on both sides. Okay, see next what is our problem, what is that solution? In the solution, x by y, x plus y by 3 equals to xy whole to the power of 1 by 2. But what we have to find out? Find the value of x by y plus y by x. But now also we didn't get this, just xy terms are left over. So here 1 by 2 is there, but here no 1 by 2's are there, so we don't want 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 means, see, we can write root x equals to x to the power of 1 by 2 only, no? Okay, root x, in this root nothing is there means 2 is there. 2 is there means 1 by 2. Next, cube root of x is equals to x to the power of 1 by 3. Here 3 is there, that's why 1 by 3. Here nothing is there means 2 is there. 2 is there means 1 by 2. Okay. Instead of 1 by x to the power of 1 by 2, we can write, what we can write? See, the same as it is I am writing x plus y by 3. Next, x to the power of 1 by 2 means root x we can write. xy whole to the power of 1 by 2 means what you can write? Root xy. Okay. Next, now this root we don't want, no? Okay, how can we remove this root? By squaring on both sides. By squaring on both sides. Okay, by squaring on both sides means what you will get? X plus y by 3 whole square equals to root xy whole square. Squaring means like this only we have to do, no? Whole square. So this square root will get cancelled. Next, x plus y by 3 whole square means x plus y whole square by 3 square. So x plus y square by 3 square equals to xy. So that is implies, next step, instead of writing here, I am writing here only because space is not there. So x plus y whole square equals to, this is 3 square coming this side means 3 square into xy. Okay. X plus y whole square means what? X square plus y square plus 2xy. What is the formula for x plus y whole square? X square plus y square plus 2xy. Here x plus y whole square is not equals to, x plus y whole square is not equals to x square plus y square. Why? Because x square plus y square means just x square plus y square only. But x plus y whole square means what you have? X square plus y square plus 2xy. One term will be extra. 2xy is extra in x plus y whole square. Here 2xy won't be there. That's why these two are not same. Some of you making mistake like this, you don't do like that. So x square plus y square plus 2xy equals to 3 square means what? 3 square means we have to multiply this 3 2 times. Multiplying 3 2 times means what? 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9xy. Next, x square plus y square. Here 9xy is there. Here 2x plus 2xy coming this side means 9xy minus 2xy. That is implied x square plus y square. 9xy minus 2xy. First of all, we have to see whether these two are like terms or not. xy only there. Like terms means what? Same variable with same power. Here x, y, two variables are there. Same variable we have. Here powers 1, nothing is there means 1, 1. No power means 1, 1 only there, 1, 1 only there. That's why these two are like terms. Okay, we can add or subtract like terms. So 9xy minus 2xy equals to 7xy. 9 minus 2, 7 only, no. 9xy minus 2xy, 7xy. Before I told you one example. 9 pence minus 2 pence means 7 pence only, no. Like that. But what we have to find that x by y plus y by x. So this xy, if we send this xy to the right side, x square plus y square by xy equals to 7. Okay, next here, is this visible to you? I think visible. Okay, so that is implies x square plus y square by xy means x square by xy plus y square by xy. X square by xy plus y square by xy equal to 7. See, x square means x into x. Okay, x square means what? X into x. X square by xy means what? X into x by xy means x into y only, no? Okay, so 1x, 1x will get cancelled, x by you will get. So, means for 1x will get cancelled. Next for 1y will get cancelled. That is implies x by y plus y by x equals to 7. What is the value of x by y plus y by x? X by y plus y by x equals to 7. Have you understood? Okay, this also I explained you on the board, but again I explained you. Okay, thank you.